They say that water-damaged cars will just break down naturally while driving. We just don't believe that. We want to deal with this kind of big mud. Otherwise, how can we highlight our professional level? Take a look at this tire. It feels like it has thousands of kilometers on it. 2022 Navara 2.3 naturally aspirated. And it is equipped with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Just this transmission and engine. What can I say, guys? It also has a sunroof, guys. Guys, it's redundant. This car, without this shovel, it just can't go on. So we say, you must have all the equipment. This big shovel is used to dig out the mud. Although there is a lot of mud. In our minds. This is already a beauty of a car. This kind of car, wait until the brothers take it apart. And you'll see, the whole car has only a few computer boards. Just install them. If someone washes this car, they must do it well within a week. Why did we choose this kind of car? Since it's water damaged anyway. Who cares how much it's damaged? Right? The worse it's damaged, the more we like it. The worse it's damaged, the higher the cost effectiveness. We drive this car. It's 4-wheel drive. We can drive to Xinjiang, Tibet, the Gobi. Go out and have some fun. Isn't that great? What about this mat? We still need to collect it. Why? Because we'll need it later. At this point, many brothers will say, "You're heartless." Guys, being poor is the biggest problem. Since we're doing this, people say, don't be afraid of poor car conditions. Just be afraid of fraud. For this kind of car, we say, fix it. Drive it ourselves. Give it a try. Drive this kind of car to prove to the brothers that this car is indeed drivable. Why are water-damaged cars so expensive now? Because people's acceptance of water-damaged cars is too high now. Many people really don't care. But many brothers are still waiting and seeing. However, many brothers are still waiting and seeing. But many brothers are still waiting and seeing. Then, right? The brave ones, they enjoy life first. Brothers. Ha ha ha. To be honest. This car is like a tractor. You'll see when I take it apart. This car doesn't have many computer boards at all. It's like a tractor. The instrument panel we just took apart. Including the center console. Including the airbag. The airbag won't be damaged naturally. It's this instrument panel, right? It might be a bit expensive. But we chose a water-damaged car. We chose this kind of car. We just, maximize savings, okay? Then just replace it with an Android screen. Or just throw it away and buy an old iPad. Throw it on top, right? The refrigerator, TV, big sofa, all there. Like this combination instrument panel. These things won't break. But the instrument panel. That's definitely going to break. This car is a high-end model. It has one key start and a sunroof. And it comes with keyless entry. This also significantly increases our costs. But it doesn't matter. Guys. We just make do with what we have. For this kind of car. As long as the engine, computer, and anti-theft box and the body computer are not broken. We need to replace these with new ones. As long as we have these, the car won't break down. Like this. Since this car is flooded up to the neck. You can see the sun visor is flooded up to the neck. We won't even say it's flooded up to the neck. Just up to the instrument panel. Actually, it's the same as being fully flooded. We just take everything apart. And wash it all thoroughly. Like this. No need for that. We'll get more people later. Even though the workbench frame is a bit rusty. In the past. We would definitely replace the workbench frame. But it's different now. We just do some rust removal and so on. And just put it on. We'll give it a try. For this kind of car. Can we really fix it with zero cost? Hee, I think it's an impossible mission. But we can try. The main issue is the mud. But it doesn't matter. Because the car was flooded for a short time. It's been here for a while. Otherwise, we would have just come over and started dismantling. Including the seats below. There's quite a bit of rust. Because recently, as everyone knows, Lamo has been too busy. We bought this kind of car to drive around and have fun. So we just left it there. Well, otherwise, you know. It's a bit too much. Guys, it's really a bit excessive. Guys, come on. But let's just do it. Forget about it. The main thing is the engine and transmission. We dealt with them as soon as we got here. Look at this is dug out. For this kind of car. It's really impossible to clear its name. But I can. The big panel at the back. We'll take it apart. To be honest about this car. It only has these panels. There are no computer boards at the back. Because it's a 5-seater. The air conditioning system at the back. There isn't one. There isn't. If it were a 7-seater. It would have a central air conditioning system. Something like that. As you've seen before when Lao repaired these muddy cars. We would rinse them first. Why aren't we rinsing this time? Because there's too much mud this time. Before, it was just a layer of floating mud on the seats. We could rinse it off and clean it up. When we burst, we wouldn't get too dirty. But with this much mud, if you try to wash it, it's so thick you can't wash it off. And then you end up with bacteria all over you. All these press on you. We still need to take off the wiper motor at the front. Otherwise, there's a lot of dirt hidden inside. And we need to check if the wiper motor has taken in water. Guys, from the start of the disassembly to the removal of this frame, we really haven't seen any computer boards being taken apart. It's just the combination switch and the instrument panel. Why is that? And then the throttle. Because this car doesn't have a computer. So how bad can it get? As long as the engine and transmission are good. Can this car break down? Let me tell you honestly. Guys, discover the real advantage of this kind of car. You have to look at its internals. We've taken apart everything else. We've taken off the 4 door panels. The 4 door panels are off. There are still the window lifters and motors inside. And, door lock blocks and so on. We still need to take them apart for maintenance later. For a wash. Why do I need to maintain it? If many things. You replace them all. Like these locks, right? It's impossible for all 4 doors to be inoperable. If one door doesn't open, it might be broken. If it really breaks later, we'll replace it then. Everything is possible. Since, as I said, we save wherever we can. We chose a water-damaged car for the cost-effectiveness. To fix it ourselves and drive it. This is about saving a bit of money, right? It's about being a bit short of cash. Right? With this roof, to be honest, I wasn't planning to take it apart. But after some careful thought, we decided to take it apart anyway. It won't take too much effort. So we just took it apart. We'll give it a simple rinse. Actually, this roof, as you can see, was flooded a bit. There's just the sunroof motor left. It wasn't flooded. Everything else is broken. I'll just use a broom to sweep it out first. Then we'll give it a wash. Actually, this roof. We'll just sweep out the mud with a broom. Sweep it out and then give it a wash. This car, now we've taken everything apart. There's not much left. As you can see, it's very simple. After taking it apart, there's not much left. The main thing is to clean it thoroughly. For this car. It will take about 5 to 8 days to fix. We chose to repair this severely flooded car during the live broadcast this time. So that everyone can better understand water-damaged cars. And, if anyone really needs to, you can also buy a water-damaged car and repair it at home. You can repair it at home. To repair this kind of car, you don't even need a lift. Just lie on the ground and start working on it. To be honest, if you have the basic skills to dismantle, you can try anything. After all, it's a boy's hobby. For this kind of machinery, it's really hard to walk. Seeing this kind of thing. We have always been like this. Since we were little. So I repair water-damaged cars. If you also like this kind of video, give it a like and follow. Thank you, everyone, for your continuous support. If you don't agree, let's do it. We say do it, and we do it. Just talking and not doing. That's just talking nonsense. Let's hit the road. Before dawn. As long as you're moved.